وقت بخیر. کاوه عبداللهی هستم، مدرس زبان. علاقه‌مند به تولید محتوای آموزشی برای زبان آموزان با انگیزه و خلاق. قسمت آخر The Railway Children. قسمت پیش تا اینجا خوندیم که Old man and Bobby they were talking. But keep your secret a little longer. The old man said to Bobby. Old man said to Bobby, don't tell your secret about your father to anybody. And you don't think father did it? Bobby asked the old man. You don't think your idea father didn't do it, do you? And then, or, oh, say you don't. I'm not sure he did. I'm sure he didn't, said the old gentleman. So uh, this is where we left the story. Now, chapter 9. In the last chapter, let's see what happens. The man at the station. Life at the White House was never quiet, was never quite the same again. Jim's leg got better and better, and he told them stories about his school, and now Mother was not writing stories every day. She was able to teach children their lessons. I wonder if the railway misses us, said Phyllis one day. We never go and see it now. It seems ungrateful, said Bobby. We loved it when there wasn't anyone to play with. And we have stopped waving to the 9:15 and sending our love to Father by it. Let's begin again, said Phyllis. So the next morning they ran down to the fence and watched the 9:15 come out of the tunnel. Take our love to Father, they cried, and as they waved their handkerchiefs. The old gentleman waved from his window. And there was nothing strange about that because he had always waved. But now hands and handkerchiefs and newspapers waved from every window of the train. And like this. And smiling faces looked up at children on the fence. Well, said Phyllis. What does it mean? Said Peter. Perhaps the old gentleman told people to wave, said Bobby, but she had a strange feeling inside her. Very good. Now let's review what this story, the points, conversational points, collocations, grammar points, learn and grow. Life at the White House was never quite the same again. The same is like similar. Now it's different. مثل همیشه نیستش. It's different now. Simple past رو داره میگه. And life at the White House. Huh? At the White House. James Lake got better and better. Better and better. دوتا comparative form داریم اینجا. صفت مقایسه‌ای برای نشون دادن تغییر. بهتر و بهتر میشه. James' leg got better. Got better. یعنی بهتر شد. His leg got better and better. That's a good one. And then later uh, told them stories about the school. And mother was not writing stories. این گذشته استمراری رو داره میگه به طور منفی در ساختار منفی. And then she was able to teach children lessons. Able یعنی she could. الان دیگه وقت داشت، تواناییشو داشت، وقتشو داشت که به بچه ها درسای مدرسهشون رو بده. She was able to teach children their lessons. I wonder if it's a question for me. به معنی اینکه it's a I'm not sure. It's like بر من یه سواله، پیش خودم فکر میکنم. I wonder if the railway misses us. یعنی ریلوی دلش برای ما تنگ شده یا نشده، یا اینکه it's just a childish talk. یک در واقع جمله بچگانه است که میگه I wonder if the railway misses us. We never go to see it now. Simple present میگه خیلی وقت نمیریم بهش سر نمیزنیم. We never go and see it now. It seems ungrateful. It's like it's not good. It seems ungrateful. Railway was always good for us. خیلی بده. کاش بریم سر بزنیم. It seems ungrateful when you want to say something doesn't feel good. Something doesn't make you feel happy. حقش نه. حقش نیست که مثلا این کار رو انجام بدیم. It's like this. Ungrateful. And then we loved it when there wasn't anyone to play with. We loved it when there wasn't. We loved it یه عبارت. When there wasn't anyone to play with. عبارت بعدیمونه که به شکل پای پیروه. جملمون جمله کامپلکسه. نکتهش هم اینه که اون موقع که کسی نبود باش بازی کنیم میرفتیم. ها؟ We loved it when there wasn't anyone to play with. به حرف اضافه play که وده. بعد حال کامل اومده. We have stopped waving. از گذشته تا حال. We have stopped waving. And sending. We have stopped waving. We have stopped sending. Send our love to father by it. Send our love to somebody by something. Let's begin again. Let's هم که برای انجام دادن something together. When we want to do something together. Let's go out. Let's sit. Let's drink. Let's watch a movie together. And then in the next one, as they waved, wave at the train, waved their handkerchiefs at the train. اینطوری دستمالاشون رو به سمت قطار تکون دادن. Waved their handkerchiefs. Handkerchiefs دستمالای پارچه‌ای. Handkerchiefs. They waved their handkerchiefs. And the old gentleman waved again from his window. There was nothing strange about that. ساختار خوبی. There was nothing strange. Nothing was unusual. There was nothing strange که با because به جمله بعدیش وصلش کرده. Because he always waved. There was nothing strange. Children waved. He waved. But now, اینجاش. But now hands and handkerchiefs and newspapers wave from every window. From every window. And of the train. From every window of the train. در ادامه میاد اینجا نشون میده that they were waving their handkerchiefs and people were waving from their handkerchiefs. Smiling faces looked up at the children on the fence. On the fence. The children were on the fence. And smiling faces یعنی چهره های بشاش و خندان. They looked up at the children. What does it mean? What is the meaning of that? پیتر پیش خودش گفت Perhaps the old gentleman told them to wave back. She had a strange feeling. That's a good one. She had a strange feeling. یه حس عجیب غریبی داشتش. Let's go to the new page and see what the story is. That something was going to happen. She had a strange feeling that something was going to happen. قرار بود یه اتفاقی بیفته. She had a strange feeling that something was going to happen. Lessons with mother were difficult for Bobby. That morning, she found it hard to think about them. What is it, my darling? Asked mother. You don't feel ill, do you? I don't know, answered Bobby. Perhaps I'd feel better in the garden. But the trees and the flowers all seemed to be waiting for something to happen. It was one of those quiet September. It was one of those quiet September days when everything does seem to be waiting. I'll go down to the station and talk to Perks, she thought. Everyone seemed to have a newspaper in their hand that morning. Several people waved theirs at Bobby and smiled as she went by. People who never usually waved or smiled at her. How strange, she thought. Perks wasn't anywhere on the platform and Bobby had only the station. And Bobby had only the station cat to talk to. How kind and friendly everybody is today, she said to the cat. Perks appeared when it was time for the 11:54 to arrive. He had a newspaper too. Hello, he said to Bobby. I saw it in the paper and I've never been so pleased about anything in my life. What did you see in the paper? Asked Bobby. But already the 11:54 was steaming into the station and Perks was looking in all the windows. Only three people got out of the train. The first was a woman with three boxes of chickens. The second was a woman with a brown suitcase. Let's analyze. So she was worried, huh? Here it said a feeling. It's like this. She had a strange feeling inside her, a feeling, a feeling that something was going to happen. Something was going to happen. انگار یه چیزی قرار بود اتفاق بیفته. Something was going to happen. And then lessons were difficult. That's a good one. That morning she found it hard to think. سخت بود براش تمرکز کنه. She found it hard to think about them. حالا این گذشته ساده است، میتونه حال ساده باشه وقتی که یه چیزی جنرال براتون دشوار باشه. شخصی سازی کردن بخشی از یادگیری ماست. همیشه که من تکرارش میکنم مثلا میتونم بگم I find it hard to focus. سخت برام تمرکز کنم. What is it, my darling? عزیزم مشکل چیه؟ What is it, my darling? The mother says. Perhaps I'd feel better in the garden. Perhaps I would feel better in the garden. اینجا بابی میگه perhaps I'd feel better in the garden. داره یه چیز کلی رو میگه شاید اونجا یه چیز imaginaryه، یه چیز در واقع میخواد متصور میشه که میگه تو گاردن حالم بهتر میشه اگه برم اونجا. برای همین از would استفاده کرده. Perhaps I would که مخففش میشه I'd feel better in the garden. And then uh, they all seemed, all any flowers and trees and everything, they all seemed به نظر می رسیدن to be waiting for something to happen. انگار همشون they all were waiting, they all seemed to be waiting for something to happen. And then everything does seem to be waiting و اینجا does رو در جمله مثبت برای تاکید استفاده کرده. Does seem to be waiting. And then I'll go down to the station. Everyone دوباره seemed همه چی مشکوک بود به نظر می رسید. Everyone seemed to have a newspaper in their hand. And then people waved at Bobby. People who never usually waved. People who never usually waved. How strange. آدمای معمولی که کلنم they didn't wave at Bobby. So how strange. How strange. And then we have how kind and friendly everybody is today. تعجب کرده بود. How kind and friendly everybody is today. How friendly, how kind everybody is today. And then I saw it in the paper, گذشته ساده, and I've never been so pleased about anything in my life. I saw it گذشته ساده و بعد I've never been so pleased, so happy about it in my life. About anything in my life. تا الان بابت هیچ چیزی اینقدر تو زندگیم خوشحال نبودم. از گذشته تا حالا. What did you see in the paper? چی دیدی? What did you see in the paper? What did you see in the paper? And then only three people got out of the train. Get out of the train. That's a good structure. Only three people got out of the train. پیاده شدن از قطار. And let's see what's that, huh? What's the good news? So here's the story. Oh, my daddy, cried Bobby. Daddy's out of prison. And third, oh, my daddy, cried Bobby. That that scream went like a knife into the heart of everyone on the train. The people put their heads out of the windows and saw the tall, white-faced man and the little girl with their arms around each other. I knew something wonderful was going to happen, said Bobby as they went up the road, but I didn't think it was going to be this. Oh, my daddy, didn't mother get my letter? Asked father. There weren't any letters this morning, said Bobby. Oh, daddy, it is really you, isn't it? He held her hand and said, You must go in by yourself and tell mother very quietly that it is all right. They have caught the man who did it. Everyone knows now that your daddy isn't a spy. We always knew you weren't, said Bobby. Me and mother and our old gentleman. Yes, said father. It's him I must thank. And now they're going across the field. Bobby goes into the house trying to find the right words to tell mother that father has come home. Father is walking in the garden waiting. He is looking at the flowers, but he keeps turning towards the house. Now the door opens. Bobby's voice calls, Come in, Daddy, come in. Let's do the last page together. Oh, Daddy, cried Bobby, shouted Bobby. That scream went like a knife into the heart of everyone on the train. Scream اون فریادش مثل یه چاقو تو قلب همه فرو رفت. It means that everybody was touched. همه تحت تاثیر قرار گرفته بودن. Everybody was touched. دلشون به لرزه در اومده بود. Why? Because of the girl and her father. And put their heads out of the windows. سرشون از پنجره آورده بودن بیرون. White faced man. مردی که صورتش پریده بود، رنگش پریده بود، ضعیف شده بود، حالا به خاطر اینکه احتمالا زندان بوده یا اینکه he was emotional. And the little girl with their arms around each other. With their arms around each other. I knew something wonderful was going to happen. میدونستم که یک چیز عالی قراره اتفاق بیفته. Something wonderful. عالی. Amazing, huh? They went up the road. They went up the road. They went toward the house. I didn't think it was going to be this. And didn't mother get my letter? Get my letter? That's a good one. نرسید نامه به دستش. And then there weren't any letters this morning. هیچ نامه کلا امروز صبح نیامد. There weren't any letters this morning. That's a good one. And you must go in by yourself. Must رو استفاده کرده. یه ضرورت رو داره میگه you must go in by yourself. تا اول برو. Tell mother very quietly. با آرامی بهش بگو. It's alright. And everyone knows that your daddy isn't a spy. Everyone knows. Everyone بعدش فعل مفرد میاد. Everyone knows. فکت داره میگه. Simple present. And it is him I must thank. از اون باید تشکر کنم. از اون ضروریه که تشکر کنم. It is him I must thank. It is you I must thank. It is my father I must thank. For example, come across the field. از زمین ها دارن میگذرن و از زمین های کشاورزی و دشت دارن میگذرن برن به سمت خونه. And then trying to find the right words. Trying to find the right words. What does that mean? داشت دنبال لغت درست میگشت برای گفتنش. Trying to find the right words. And then he's looking at the flowers. He's looking at the flowers. Father is looking at. He keeps turning towards the house. هی برمیگرده به خونه نگاه میکنه. Keep به معنی continue. He keeps turning towards the house. Now the door opens. Come in, Daddy. Come in. I hope you enjoyed this story. امیدوارم از داستان هم لغوی، هم گرامری، هم ساختاری، هم موضوعی لذت برده باشید. با شیر و لایک لطفاً حمایت کنید، به دوستانتون معرفی کنید، تو کامنت ها بگید از چه مطالبی بیشتر خوشتون میاد که من بتونم روی اون محور، رو بازخورد شما مطالب بهتری تولید بکنم. And that's it and that's all. Take care. Bye bye.